All right, let's talk about how to apply sorts. So if I go to the Data tab in the ribbon here, I am going to see several options here in regards to sorting. Firstly, I have these two small icons here, and these are what we would call quick sorts. All right, and this is going to allow me to quickly sort my entire list based on one particular column, right? So I want to sort everything by agent or by call length or any of these things. I can use that. And then I have this big sort button, which is a multi-level or custom sort, which I can use to sort by multiple fields, right? So let's do an example of a quick sort first. I'd like to sort this by agent. So I'm going to click in the agent field. I don't have to highlight it. I want to just click on one cell, right? If you start highlighting things, then it'll kind of separate that from other things and it'll jumble stuff up. So we don't want to highlight. We just want to click on one cell and then we can go ahead and choose what we want. So I'm going to click the A to Z button here. Boom. It sorts it alphabetically and it groups the like agents together, right, in alphabetical order. Let's switch it to descending. And now same thing, but it's in descending order, right? Let's sort by issue, right? Again, it's grouping and putting it in alphabetical order, right? How about we sort by the call length? I want to see the longest call length. All right, how about the longest wait time? How about from highest to lowest sale amount? How about from lowest customer satisfaction, right? So you see what we can do. We can just click in the field that we want, choose the specific sort order that we want, ascending or descending, and it's going to go ahead and take care of that for us, right? Nice and easy. All right, let's go ahead and go back to line number. Let's say I wanted to do a multi-level sort. Let's say I wanted to sort by agent, and then by line, and then by sale amount, right? I'm going to click on this big sort button here, and I can start choosing the field. So I'm going to sort firstly by agent. I'm going to sort on the cell values. If I wanted, I could sort based on the formatting instead, which would do more of a grouping than a order sort. And I can choose the order, right? We'll go in ascending order. Let's add a level and let's sort by line. Then let's add a level and let's sort by sale amount, original sale amount, largest to smallest. Notice that because it is a numerical field, the verbiage here changes, right? Largest to smallest instead of A to Z, right? If it was a date field, it would say oldest to newest, okay? This is good. Let's click OK. Boom, there we go. We have it sorted by the agents. Inside of the agent, I see it sorted by line, and inside of the line, I see it sorted by sale amount. When my line resets, I get a new sale amount sort, and when my agent resets here, I get a new line sort, right? So this is a multi-level sort, all right? And that is fantastic. Let's switch this back to just sorting by line number. Boom, there we go, right? So very easy to apply sorts using the quick sorts or the custom sort options.